श्री गुरुवे नमः। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
Please give a standing ovation to our honorable chief guest, Dr. Rajpat Rai, Vadi School Manager, Mr. Ashwini Kumar, Member of KVM Managing Committee and Trust, Mr. D.K. Goyal.
हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि माननीय डॉक्टर राजपत राय जी, कार्यकारिणी सभा के प्रबंधक श्री अश्विनी जी, श्रीमती नवितापुरी प्रधानाचार्य जी, अन्य गणमान्य अतिथियों का आदाब है। धन्यवाद। मैं उपस्थित सभी से अनुरोध करती हूँ राष्ट्रगान के लिए सावधान मुद्रा में खड़े।
A floral welcome to our honorable chief guest, Dr. Rajpat Rai. Here we can see the tiny tots of kindergarten coming up with a good luck plant. A big round of applause. Looking smart in their white caps and dress. Posing for a photograph with our honorable chief guest. What a proud moment for them.
Thank you.
And now, once again, I would request our honorable principal to wish our worthy chief guest happy Independence Day by presenting him with an Independence Day souvenir. And now, Independence Day souvenir being presented to our school manager, Mr. Ashwini Kumar. Once again, Happy Independence Day to Mr. V.K. Goyal. May we all Indians live together harmoniously and work together to realize the dream. O Mother India, bless us with devotion, wisdom and action so that we may succeed in this endeavor. Heartiest greetings and felicitations to every Indian, to every free citizen of this free country, India, incredible India. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Lajpat Rai, Chairman, Managing Committee, esteemed Mr. Ashwini Kumar, the School Manager, worthy members of the School Managing Committee and Trust, respected Principal, Mrs. Navita Puri, heads of various sections, dear parents, friends and students. My heart goes out to extend a warm welcome to each one of you on the momentous occasion of the 67th Independence Day of our country. What a day it is, instilling in us the spirit of patriotism and inspiring us to do our bit for the progress of our country. May I now request our worthy principal, Madam Mrs. Navita Puri, to accord a formal welcome to our distinguished guests. Please, ma'am.
All present. Breathes there the man with soul so dead, who never to himself had said, "This is my own, my native land." Jai Hind to our chief guest, Dr. Lajpat Rai, esteemed members of the School Managing Committee and Shri Kundan Lal Trust, in charges of various sections, my very dear teachers, parents and students. I, on behalf of the KVM fraternity, extend a very warm welcome to you on our 67th Independence Day celebrations. This day is a reminder of the great sacrifices made by our patriots during the freedom struggle. They made the supreme sacrifice fighting the British colonial rule, firmly believing that ये राज मुकुट तो इस सर से उस सर तक आए जाएंगे, लेकिन इतिहास उन्हीं का है जो मां को शीश चढ़ाएंगे. Even after independence, our valiant soldiers have been guarding our borders so that we, the people of India, can sleep safely in our beds at night. They have countered such heavy aggressions on our motherland from our neighbors, not caring for their own lives and safety. Hundreds of members of our defense forces lose their lives in terrorist attacks every year, and still they go to bed every night praying. गीता का ज्ञान सुने ना सुने, इस धरती का यश गान सुने. हम शब्द कीर्तन सुन ना सके, भारत माँ का गुणगान सुने. परवरदिगार, मैं तेरे द्वार पे ले पुकार ये कहता हूँ, चाहे अनजान न सुने कान, पर जय जय हिंदुस्तान सुने. But all their sacrifices seem to be in vain today. We have lost our sense of national pride and self-esteem. Our morality is totally lost, and greed has overtaken the principles of dharma that our society lived by. Our leaders seem bent on betraying the whole nation for petty vote bank politics, and we might do well to remember that. युद्धों में कभी हारे नहीं, हम डरते हैं छल छंदों से. हर बार प्रजय पाई है अपने घर के जय चंदों से. We all, you and me included,